Hello everyone. How we will clean our ear? We will take a earbud in olden days. Now we have earbud. Still in olden days, even we were not having earbud also, right? They were cleaning with pin or any hard instruments or sometimes key. We have seen this doing with our ancestors, like maybe father, mother, grandmother, grandson, grandfather, right? But now how we will clean? We will clean with the earbud. But when I discussed this matter with the ENT surgeon, I was shocked to hear that, because they say that we should not clean the earwax with the artificial things like earbud or something. But what we are doing now, usually especially after head bath, sometimes what we will do, immediately we will take a earbud and we will clean. We feel that we are cleaning it, right? But according to a research or according to a survey, when we clean the earbud, like pushing it backwards, the ear wax will be pushed backward and it will create infection inside. So we should not clean the wax, because it's our body process to clean the ear and it will throw the wax out. So we should not clean it or remove it artificially. Just we can rub the outside layer of a ear with the towel, clean towel, that's it. We should not remove the wax. If you are feeling any infection or itching, then you can go to ENT surgeons or ENT specialists. They will clean your wax if necessary, or else it should not be removed out. Wax should not be removed out. So usually all will not be having this information. So as much as possible, share this information that they should not clean the wax with the earbud. It should be left over, or only outer surface should be cleaned, and that wax will be thrown out itself by our body is processed in that way that it will be cleaned out. So share this tip with your friends and families, and they too will get to know this information. Thank you.